One of the harder concepts for students to deal with is the mean value theorem. I think this picture is the best definition of mean value theorem there is, because what we're essentially trying to do for a function that is continuous and differentiable is find out where the tangent line and the secant line have the same slope. So we really need to do two things in every problem. The first thing is we need to find the slope of the secant line. And we can do that, of course, by just doing the change in y over change in x between those two endpoints. Well, the next step then is figuring out when the tangent line would have the same slope. So then we need the derivative. So in this case we'd need f prime, and we'd need to know when f prime equals that slope of the secant line. So it really isn't that tough. Now I guess the thing to remember, of course, is that the function does need to be continuous and differentiable. So for this example, I'm going to use x squared plus 4x plus 1 on the interval from 1 to 4. Now, I hope that you recognize right away that because it's a parabola, it is continuous and differentiable. But I did throw the graph up there. So from 1 to 4, in here, it's absolutely continuous and differentiable. And we're going to try and find the spot where the tangent line and secant line have the same slope. So the first thing we're going to do is figure out what the slope is between these endpoints. So we've got to do f of 4 minus f of 1, difference in y's, over difference in x's. So let's think now. F of 4, if I plug that in, 4 squared, 16 plus 16 plus 1 is 33. 1 squared plus 4 plus 1 is 6, so we have 33 minus 6 divided by 3. Well, 33 minus 6 is 27, divided by 3 is 9. So the slope between the endpoints, this secant line, has a slope, I'm going to call it m, of 9. So now I need to figure out where does the derivative, where does the curve have the same slope? So I need the derivative. It's 2x plus 4, and I want to know what x will give me a slope of 9. Subtract 4 from both sides, divide both sides by 2, and it's x equals 5 halves. So that's the spot that satisfies the mean value theorem.